Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik Cube in an easy way. So here it is, and there are lots of Rubik Cubes, and this one I have to say that the white is at the top, then we have the yellow at the bottom, and then we have red, blue, orange and green colors at the sides. First of all, I have to say that the middle piece tells us about what color should be all the face. So for example, if the middle is white, all of this should be white. They don't move, they never move. If we do like this, for example, we see that they don't never move. Okay? Now let's start. I will shuffle it. And we'll start by completing the Rubik Cube. I will always explain all the movements very slowly so that you can understand it and you can follow it easily. I always start with the white side, and in this video I will do it as well by starting with the white side. What is our first aim? What should we do? First of all, we have to have a white cross here. Okay? So how do we obtain the white cross here? It's not only that we have to obtain one white here, and another white here. No, it's not just like that. We also have to have things like this. The middle color has to correspond with this one, as well as making the cross. So if we have here a white, then we should have a red and red. Here we should have a white, and then a green, and another green. This one, orange and white. And in this one, we have to have a white and blue one here, so that it corresponds with the middle. Okay, how do we do it? We have to find pieces which have white in it. Okay, for example, we have this one. Where should this one be? It should be the white here and the orange here. Okay, so we take always the piece and we put it behind. Sorry, at the bottom of the yellow, of the orange. So here it is. Now, how do we get this white one here up? If we do this movement, it's not possible. We have it here. So how would we do it? This movement, you have to learn it, and it's like this. Let's see. You have to move it this side. Okay, the bottom part to this side, then this upwards. Okay, and finally you have these two joined together. You have the white, so then you do like this. Okay, there you have the white here and these two nearby. That's the correct situation. Now we have another white green here. Okay, we put it at the bottom, for example, and we move it to the position where it corresponds, because there's here the green, and in this situation we don't have to do the movement which we've done with the other one. We just have to move it twice, and there we had it here, and obviously as these two are joined together, then we do it like this, and there we have another one. We have the orange, we have the green, we have the red is already done, but let's imagine that it isn't. So you find it, here it is, here's the red and white. Then you do like this, you put it in the same one, and twice, you move it the front twice. And we need the last one. What is it? It's the white and the blue. We search it, and it's here. Okay, so we do the same movement. 1, 2, and there it is. Now we have the cross. Okay, what's our next aim? We have to obtain all of the white face completed. So we have to complete this one and this one. But as at the same with the cross, now we have to do is to complete all the top, but as well we have to do small t's. So I will explain it with more examples. For example, this one should go up because there's here a white, but as well we have to see what other colors we have. We have the green and we have the orange. So where should this piece go? This piece should be with the white. This side should be orange, and this side should be green, this side. So this is the one we want. How do we get this one up? Well, it's easy. If you do like that, then you have this side corresponding, this side corresponding, and finally we have the white here. But that's not possible. Why? Because we would lose the cross. So how would you do it? Well, it's very simple. You just have to save what you've done already. How do we save? Well, the movement is like that. If you're going to do this movement, then you're going to break these two. So you save these two like this, okay? And then you do the movement that's in the correct place, and then you return what you've saved. And there it is. You look? Okay. Then we have to solve all of the edges corresponding the same colors to the three sides. The white, in this case, for example, red, and in this case, for example, blue. Okay? So let's begin. We have to search for all the colors. What color is what piece and where it is? This one, which should be here, because this, we have the white there, but it's not correct because it has an orange, which neither of these two have the orange. So we have to search. At the bottom part, we have to search pieces which have a white, a red, and a blue. Is this one? You see? Okay. Now the movement. Which is it? Is this one? But as I've already said, you have to save what you've already done. Save it. Move this one to the correct position, and then return. Now we have two sides. This one, which is correct because it has the green here and the orange here, and this one is as well correct. Okay, we do it for another one. For example, this one, it has a red and it has a green. Let's go to the green-red side. You look at this. If you move like this, you save it. You go upwards, and there you have. Okay? And finally, we have the orange and blue. But I will make another movements just to explain you more algorithms. Okay, let's see. Here you have it, no? But how would you get this one up? If you do it like this, for example, it's impossible. If you do it like this, it's as well impossible. So the movement is as follows. You put it just underneath where you want it, okay? And you do like this. Right side, like this. Back side, like this. This one up. And then you do, with the bottom one, you do 1, 2, and there you have it. You had it here, and now you have it here. So if you now have it here, it's very easy. You have to do it like this. But as you want to save everything you've already done, you do like this, and then you move the white one like that. And now we have all the white side completed, and all the corners with the same colors as the one in the middle. Okay? So we will continue in next part by completing. Our next aim is to complete the second layer. Okay? So now continue with part 2.